In a world that is constantly moving forward, there is something undeniably magical about looking back, about finding character, history, and charm in the things that time has touched. Welcome to Recrafted Elegance, where we celebrate the beauty of reclaimed old vintage furniture and transform it into artistic decor pieces that bring warmth, personality, and timeless sophistication into modern homes. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Décor, where everyday creativity turns into beautiful living spaces. We believe that every scratched tabletop, every worn-out drawer handle, every faded surface holds a story. And through creativity and thoughtful craftsmanship, we give these pieces the opportunity to shine again in a fresh, elegant, and meaningful way. When you work with reclaimed vintage furniture, you're doing more than redecorating. You're preserving memories, honoring craftsmanship of the past, and adding depth and authenticity to your living spaces. Each redesigned piece becomes not just decor, but a soulful narrative, a conversation starter, a work of art. There is something incredibly inspiring about taking an old furniture piece that has been forgotten in an attic, tucked away in a storeroom, or left behind in a second-hand shop, and reinventing it with modern style and artistic flair. The transformation process isn't just about sanding wood or adding paint. It involves imagination, seeing potential where others see flaws. It involves respect for the craftsmanship and history that went into the original creation. And most of all, it involves creativity that blends old-world charm with new life. Each stroke of polish, each added texture, each gentle restoration detail brings the piece one step closer to rebirth. Instead of replacing and discarding, we reuse and reimagine. And the results are not just beautiful, they are meaningful, sustainable, and environmentally beneficial. If you love seeing old furniture come back to life in inspiring and artistic ways, make sure to subscribe to our channel Kuki Décor. We post new videos every day, filled with reclaimed wood ideas, restoration projects, and decor creativity to inspire your home and lifestyle. From antique dresses turned into chic modern storage pieces, to worn-out wooden chairs transformed into eye-catching statement decor, the possibilities are endless. Imagine an old vintage cabinet restored to highlight its wood grain, with subtle touches of matte finishes and minimal hardware for that modern rustic feeling. Picture a distressed table topped with artistic resin overlays, showcasing unique patterns and color blends that make each piece one of a kind. Even the smallest reclaimed pieces, like drawer fronts, wooden frames, or leftover beams, can become elegant wall art, sculptural decor, or functional accessories that add personality to any room. Working with reclaimed vintage furniture also brings a sense of artistic accomplishment that mass-produced decor simply can't offer. Every piece feels special because it is special. It has lived a life before you discovered it. It has witnessed stories, families, environments, and experiences. When you restore it, you become part of that legacy, and the piece becomes part of yours. The act of restoring vintage furniture teaches patience, attention to detail, appreciation for quality, and a love for craftsmanship. These projects encourage slowing down, focusing on artistry, and imagining possibilities beyond the surface. It reminds us that beauty can always be rediscovered, no matter how time has altered something. In interior design, reclaimed furniture brings depth, texture, and visual interest. A beautifully restored vintage piece instantly adds character to a modern room. It balances sleek lines, minimalist aesthetics, and contemporary decor with warmth and narrative. Whether placed in the living room, bedroom, hallway, kitchen, or even outdoor spaces, reclaimed furniture enriches the atmosphere. It gives your home identity, something truly unique, rather than just store-bought trends. And because each piece has a story, your decor becomes a reflection of taste, thoughtfulness, and creativity. If this message inspires you, don't forget to like this video, and leave a comment telling us which piece or idea stands out to you the most. Your engagement helps keep the creative community growing, and helps us continue sharing meaningful and artistic decor ideas with you every day. For many people, the emotional value of reclaimed furniture is just as important as its beauty. Furniture passed down from grandparents, inherited pieces that hold sentimental value, or discoveries from flea markets and estate sales all carry emotional resonance. Restoring and transforming such pieces becomes more than a crafting project. It becomes a way to honor memories while making them relevant to your current lifestyle and aesthetic preferences. Instead of letting them gather dust or fade into obscurity, you breathe new life into them, allowing them to live on in your home and story. The process of redesigning reclaimed vintage furniture is also eco-friendly. In a world where fast furniture production contributes to waste, pollution, and environmental damage, choosing to restore and reuse helps reduce unnecessary consumption. Every piece of reclaimed furniture saved from disposal means less wood cut, fewer synthetic materials produced, and less waste in landfills. It is a small, but meaningful step toward creating a more sustainable lifestyle and encouraging responsible design practices. When you choose reclaimed furniture, you choose sustainability, heritage, quality, and artistry, all in one beautiful piece. Sometimes, reclaimed furniture can take on a whole new purpose. A vintage door becomes a stunning headboard. Old crates turn into stylish shelving units. A damaged dresser may become a bathroom vanity full of charm. Even pieces that seem beyond repair may contain elements, hardware, wood panels, decorative carvings, that can be repurposed into artistic wall pieces or sculptural decor. Creativity has no boundaries when you look at furniture not for what it currently is, but for what it can become. The artistic side of reclaimed vintage furniture is where imagination truly shines. Custom carvings, artistic paint blending, metallic touches, fabric upholstery updates, natural wood finishes, resin accents, and hand-painted details can all elevate an old piece into a masterpiece. Whether your style is rustic, bohemian, elegant, contemporary, farmhouse, minimalist, industrial, or eclectic, reclaimed furniture can be tailored to match. It is endlessly adaptable because its uniqueness is its strength. As you explore these inspired furniture transformations and decor ideas, remember that each piece is more than decoration. It is a conversation between the past and the present. It is a celebration of craftsmanship, memory, and artistry. And by inviting such pieces into your living space, you are creating an atmosphere that reflects thoughtfulness, creativity, and deep personal style. Thank you for watching and being part of this journey of timeless beauty and artistic transformation. Here at Kuki Décor, we share daily inspiration that brings old furniture to life in breathtaking and meaningful ways. Make sure to follow our channel to continue exploring the art of reclaimed wood, restored vintage elegance, and handcrafted decor that warms the heart and elevates the home. Recrafted elegance isn't just a style, it's a philosophy. It reminds us that beauty never disappears, it only waits to be rediscovered.